How to fix Facebook app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then go ahead and switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, as in order to Facebook to work properly, you need to have a proper working internet connection. You can also enable and then disable airplane mode for a few seconds. Now, see if that helps you in fixing Facebook issue. If not, then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Facebook, and make sure that the Facebook application is updated to its latest version. And if not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if that helps, and if not, then open settings again and then tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, scroll down and navigate to Facebook and tap on it, and then tap on the offload app option you see there. Tap on offload app again and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will free up storage used by the app and keep its documents and data safe. See if that helps, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Facebook application. Further, tap on remove app and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Once the Facebook app has been deleted, go ahead and open App Store and reinstall the Facebook app, and your issue should have been fixed by now. If not, then it simply could be that the Facebook server is down, so you can go ahead and check for Facebook server status and simply wait for the server to work. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Facebook app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.